I know it's so frustrating to deal with that facial hair growth, especially when you're dealing so much with PCOD. Trust me, you're not alone in this. I have had so much of conversation with so many women battling the same exact issue, feeling so much embarrassed and stressed out about their own self-body. Hello, I'm Dr. Priyanka, a gynecologist, giving you simple tips that are going to make a huge difference. In today's video, we'll speak about why does this facial hair growth happens, what is the exact root cause, and how can we actually tackle it naturally and effectively. So, why there is facial hair growth in PCOS? Main cause in this condition is called as hyperandrogenism. It is that our ovaries are producing over male hormone levels, that is testosterone, and this increased testosterone is causing your unwanted facial hair growth. But why there is increased testosterone? Why our ovaries are producing so much of testosterone? Increased testosterone is mainly because of insulin resistance. When there is high insulin resistance in your body, this is going to trigger your ovaries to produce more of androgen levels, and that is going to trigger facial hair growth in your body. But the good thing is it's totally manageable with the right strategies. Here are the 5 tips that I'm going to tell you are very effective and can be managed naturally. First one is spearmint tea. Research have shown that taking spearmint tea 1 cup or 2 cup per day can decrease the facial hair growth by decreasing the level of androgen in your body. It's a very super soothing drink, but try it yourself for the first 30 days. If it is working for you, very good, go ahead with it. If it is not suiting your body, then stop and try a different alternative. Tip number 2 is zinc or saw palmetto. Zinc and saw palmetto are known to block the androgens, especially DHT, on your facial hair, which is going to again stop the facial hair growth. You can take zinc as in a supplement form. Third one is omega-3 rich foods. Omega-3 foods have an anti-inflammatory property which are going to balance your hormones. Foods like flax seeds, walnuts, chia seeds, fatty fishes like salmon should be included in your diet to reduce the inflammation. With this anti-inflammatory property, it reduces the androgen levels and also improves the insulin sensitivity, targeting the root cause. Fourth one is adding protein to your diet. Adding more protein to your diet can actually check on your blood sugar levels and improve your insulin sensitivity. Protein intake of 30 grams per meal, that is 90 to 100 grams per day, is very essential to keep that sugar levels in check and improve the insulin resistance. The more balanced your insulin levels are, the more better control you have over the androgen levels. Fifth one is hair removal solutions. Now, while these natural remedies are helping your body heal from inside, you still want to remove that facial hair in meantime. Options like waxing, razors, hair removal cream, permanent solutions like laser can actually help you manage the facial hair growth from outside while you are treating your internal root cause, that is insulin resistance. But before choosing any of these options, better visit a certified dermatologist to know your skin type, to know what type of method you can use with safe tricks. Remember, there is no shame in using any of these products. Do what's more comfortable for you and what you feel is right for you. Well, here are the 5 tips. But remember, these are not the quick fixes. This is a way of healing your body from the internal root cause. PCOS is a marathon and not a sprint. It's a journey of giving your body a chance to heal from inside and out. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button and share it to someone who might need it, and also subscribe for such useful tips. And as promised, here's a bonus tip. Walking 10 to 20 minutes every day after every meal, that is after lunch, after dinner, can actually improve the insulin sensitivity. When your insulin levels are in check, then the androgen levels by themselves will be in check. Little steps can make a huge difference. So if you have come so far, then watch this video, which is a complete guide for PCOS, telling you what is the root cause, why does it happen, what are its symptoms, and much more things. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.